even for the longer answers which you gave me about the people who.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So why don't you tell me a little about yourself?
Okay. So, sir, my name is Sachit Sahu, and I am from Chhattisgarh. And I have completed my master's in mathematics and sociology. And I have also a bachelor degree in education. And currently, I'm working with Government of Chhattisgarh as a chief municipal officer in the municipal council.
Currently, you're working with the government?
Government of Chhattisgarh.
As a
chief municipal officer.
As a chief municipal officer. Okay, fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And what brings you to Clapingo?
So actually, I want to improve my communication skill, especially in English speaking. So I am here.
Okay, all right. Have you seen the topic for today?
Yeah, I read once.
Okay. I mean, have you ever watched any of these superhero movies?
Yeah, I have watched superheroes serial Shaktiman during my education. Yeah, school education. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. What do you remember of it?
I remember some character like Gangadhar and Gita Vishwas and Kilvis, Tamraj Kilvis. Andhera Kayam Rahe, famous dialogue. Yeah.
Okay. Who do you think are some of your real life superheroes?
Yeah, sir. I consider some person like my father is my first superhero. Okay. And I like Swami Vivekanand, APJ Abdul Kalam. Yeah. I consider them as a superhero because of they have a big contribution for our society.
Yes. Can you elaborate this a further point? Can you elaborate on this point further? Why APJ Abdul Kalam? Why Vivekananda? And because your father is a very personal thing, why your father?
Yeah, actually, sir, I belong to a small village and a farmer family, and actually there is no opportunity for proper education. So my father worked hard and he sacrificed their needs, and they they sent to school and college, and he educated me. And that's why I am here working as an officer with the government of Chhattisgarh. So that all because of my father. Yeah.
What about Swami Vivekananda or APJ Abdul Kalam?
Yeah. So, sir, if I tell about Swami Vivekananda, so he was the first person who do famous our Indian culture and our Hindu religion, and he spread our culture in whole world. So he is my role model. And APJ Abdul Kalam have a big contribution in our science and technology sector. Like now, we are make a conversation today, and our ISRO is preparing for send Chandrayaan-3 today. So that all thing is happen through a rocket launcher, and that is developed by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So he has big contribution in our science and technology field.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all.
That's all.
Yeah.
If you could have a superpower, what kind of a superpower would you like to have?
Actually, I don't wish any superpower. I want to improve my powers, inherent powers. Okay. But if I wish to have any superpower, so I would like to change society. Yeah.
Okay. How would you like to change society? What do you think are the problems with society that you would like to change?
Yeah. So I think that education is a big problem, and I think there is a big opportunity to work in education sector in our country. Okay, like unemployment is a big problem because of we have not our education system is not capable to motivate to take risk our youth. Yeah, and financial literacy is a big issue in our country.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I try to work for that problems.
Okay. Sachit ji, what I'm seeing is that you are basically taking this session as an interview, more like you're in an interview mode. In the
Okay,
sense,
yeah,
like I am throwing questions at you and you're giving me these very short answers. And even for the longer answers, which you gave me about the people whom you consider as superpower, as your
okay,
superheroes, I had
yeah,
to poke you and probe you for you to give me those answers.
okay.
Okay, so basically you are very reluctant to speak.
Yeah, actually, sir, I have ideas in my mind, but I can't express properly because of my vocabulary is weak. And actually, I have completed my whole education in Hindi medium, and I just try to speak in English. So that's why I can't
So,
express properly. Yeah.
so my point is you're here to learn. You are you are free to make as many mistakes as you can.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, I am not here to sit in judgment of whether you are speaking good English or bad English. My job is to help you,
Yes. Yes.
right? So my suggestion is do not come to the session with this kind of a mindset that I will I will ask you the questions and you will just give me these short answers. You should
Yes.
treat this as a conversation. You should take the initiative to speak as much as you can. Okay,
Yeah.
you have
Yeah.
15 minutes, right?
Yes. Yeah.
15 minutes is not a very long time.
Yes.
You should take the initiative to speak for at least 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Right. This is because I don't think that you get any other practice apart from this, right?
Yeah.
Your daily routine will not allow you to have conversations in English.
Yeah, actually, they usually speak in Chhattisgarhi, our local dialect, and Hindi in my office. So there is no environment for English speaking.
Right. So this
Yeah.
is your only opportunity to speak as much as you can. You should not
Yeah.
waste it. You have paid for the subscription.
Yes, of
Correct.
course. Yeah.
So
Actually, sir, when I speak English, word is not coming in mind properly. Yeah.
that's okay.
Before session I prepared well, but when I speak with a tutor, I can't properly express my thoughts.
Because you get conscious,
Yeah.
you become self-conscious.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Uh, so whenever you get self-conscious, it is okay. Everybody gets self-conscious, but you should just try to, even if you're not able to recall that word in English, say it in Hindi. Okay. I will be able to translate it for you. Then you can form the sentence with that word. Okay. So what are, apart from attending these sessions, what are the other things that you're doing to improve your English?
Yeah, so I watch YouTube video, Clapingo Conversation. There is many YouTube channel are available, and I watch that videos. And second thing, I read books every day and note down difficult words. And yeah.
So what book are you reading right now?
Now, sir, I'm reading Think Like a Monk.
Think Like a Monk. Can you tell me a
Yeah.
little about what you've read from that book?
Yeah, actually, this book about our mind setup, how our mind works. Yeah, there is two type of mind. One is monkey mind, and second is monk mind. Yeah, yeah. I started this book.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. In that case, so what do you do when you come across a new word?
Sorry, sir.
When you come across a new word, so
Yeah.
some word that you don't know, what do you do when you come across that word?
Sir, I search meanings in dictionary and go through Google, and I write down in my diary.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you review those words later on?
Yeah, I review, but I try to frame sentence also. Yeah.
Are you able to recall these words when you're speaking?
Yeah, actually, there lack of opportunity. I can't frequently use that word.
Okay. So because you don't have that opportunity, I would suggest that you become your own partner, speaking partner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the best way to do it is stand in front of a mirror and speak.
Yeah.
Okay.
And because of my job, I can I have some time problem also. Yeah.
Okay. But you will have to make time because this is your objective, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Of course, sir.
Okay. So reading is fantastic. Keep reading as much as you can. Also watch some videos about. So what I noticed was you have problems with the past tense. You're not using the past tense at all. So even when you were talking about your father, you kept saying, "My father worked hard. He sacrifices. He sacrifices things," and then you kept using. So it should be, "My father worked hard.
Okay.
He sacrificed his. He sacrificed a lot." So it is always ed. When you're talking about the past, it is supposed to be ed. You were not using the past tense at all.